Black Friday is right around the corner, and as always, Amazon already has great deals for us. In today's video, I'll be sharing a few of the deals that are happening this week, and also don't forget that all of the links are listed down below in the description. All of them are affiliate links from Amazon, which means that you pay the same price. However, I get a small commission, so you will be helping the channel grow. Before we get started, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So starting off, if you're looking for the iPhone XS Max with 64 gigabytes of storage, you can now pay $535. You can save 46% on Amazon. Talking about cameras, the Sony a7iii, which is a full-frame mirrorless camera, is now listed for $1,700. So you can save $300 if you purchase it through Amazon. I currently don't own a Sony a7iii. However, I did own it for over 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. And this was one of the cameras that I actually fell in love with. It was a hard choice for me to switch cameras. I had to because of several reasons. However, the a7iii is one of the best cameras that I've ever had. Still talking about cameras, you can save 10% or more on Panasonic Lumix cameras. The Panasonic is also an awesome brand for cameras, so I highly recommend you guys check out this link with all of the cameras and all of the deals. You can save 28% on the GH5S, 29% on the G9. There are a lot of options here. And if by any chance you're looking for a solid state drive, you can now save up to 30% on the Samsung T7. I currently own the T5. I have two of them here, and I really like it. It's super tiny, which is great for portability, and you can choose from... I have one of 500 gigabytes of storage and the other one is 1 terabyte. All of these three that I'm showing to you guys, they are all 2 terabytes, and look at this price. They are now listed for $249. The listing price was $369, so you can save 32%. If you're looking for a monitor, this 23.8 inches Acer Full HD monitor is now listed for $100. You can save 17%. And talking about smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite is now listed for $499. For $500, you can save 23%. This is the new unlocked version, and it has 128 gigabytes of storage. And yesterday I was looking for a screen protector on Amazon, and I was surprised to see this U-Tech screen protector, which is compatible with the iPhone 12 mini, for $5.99. This is a great deal, and they also have options for the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max, so I highly recommend you guys check it out because it is an awesome deal. It is really cheap, and I've used this brand before, and I've never had issues with it. Also, if you're looking for wireless over-the-ear headphones, this JBL Club 950 is now listed for $199.95, so you can save 20%, which is the same as $50, so this is a great deal as well. And if you're looking for a GoPro, the GoPro Hero8 Black is now listed for $300, so you can also save $50 on Amazon. And if by any chance you're looking for a new television, the 75-inch Samsung Class QLED Q70T series is also a 4K television. It's now listed for $1,500. You can save over $700. And going back to JBL devices, you can save up to 43% on Harman Kardon and JBL headphones, soundbars, and speakers. So as you guys can see, this speaker is now listed for $200. You can also purchase the JBL Live 500 BT for $100. Make sure you guys check this deal out. And talking about a paper shredder, I would say that this is not a super techie device. However, I purchased this and I had to recommend because it works really well. You guys can see I last purchased this item on October 25th. It works really well, and it has a great price. You don't have to pay a lot of money for a paper and credit card shredder if they work great, right? You can see that it's the #1 bestseller in shredders on Amazon, and it's now listed for $35. The original price was $42. As always, I highly recommend Anker devices. This video is not sponsored by Anker. However, I have a lot of their products here and I really like it. I've never had issues with it. They usually do not break. So I have to recommend, especially when they are on sale. So this Anker wireless charger is now listed for $35, so you can save $15. And this is a 2-in-1 Power Wave Plus pad with the Apple Watch holder for the Apple Watch, and you can also charge your iPhone at the same time. So you can plug right here, you can plug your Apple Watch charger, and then you can use the pad to charge your iPhone. So if you're looking for a charger to leave in your desk or on your bedside table, I highly recommend you try this out. And last but not least, this is another wireless charger by Anker. I currently own 3 of them, and I have one here on my desk. My husband has another one. I have one at the kitchen. I always loved using this wireless charger, and a pack of 2 is now listed for $19.54 on Amazon, so you can save 15%. And these are a few of the deals that are happening this week on Amazon. Make sure you check all the links down below in the description. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.